All right. No, wait. Sorry.
Bring the GoPro. Bring the GoPro. Okay, let's figure this out.
I think that it is very, very important to continue encouraging our governments and ourselves that the environment is every day. It's the air we breathe. It's the water we drink. It's the food we eat. And we can't live without these things.
My name is Adan Abdul Kamau. I go to school in Mpala in Laikipia County, and I am a member of Conservation Club.
There before, some years back, people, especially with the Maasai, hunt wildlife for their food. They take wildlife as their enemies. This generation now planned that they can even live with this wildlife, and they should also protect them. I have two boys who are in a Northern Kenya Conservation Club.
The conservation clubs are running in 10 schools after school. The goal is to raise students' awareness about the natural world around them and the need to conserve it. We have two Princeton interns who come out with me in the summer and go around to the clubs with me and help teach.
We introduce experiential learning to the curriculum, and so we're also adding in the environmental education component, so it's kind of like a mixture of trying to get students to go outside when they're learning and have hands-on experiences while learning about conserving the environment around them.
We teach the children as well as the teachers about experiential learning.
And many of you said that you've never seen a glacier or ice caps or snow. So today we're going to go outside and we're going to see what happens with ice. So suns often melt the tops of the glaciers, and there's water runoff that comes from the tops of glaciers.
Because he doesn't want his cows to get killed, right? And some people are putting poison on the carcass of the cow to try to kill the lion that killed that cow. Sour? Mm-hmm. But they don't understand that what is happening, that poison not only kills the one lion, the hyenas eat it, the jackals eat it, and the vultures eat it. And that means that many animals will die.
It's helping these young kids to grow up knowing that the wildlife are important to them, and also how the environment should be kept safe.
There were so many teachers who were asking for support to continue their education that we are now supporting 4 teachers in their education.
When we have these kids coming to schools, they get to learn about what they need to know about the environment, about the ecology. So in future we hope that when they are grown-ups, they will be able to apply what they have learned in school into real action.
The first 2 years we ran the clubs, there were 4 clubs, and we ran a competition and selected the top 4 students, one in each club, for 2 years, a total of 8 students who are receiving secondary school scholarships. This Saturday is our big Community Conservation Day. We bring all the students together at one school. Each club makes a presentation, and we also invite the community. So they make a presentation to the other clubs and the whole community. And the goal is to share with each other what they've been learning about conservation and also to share it with the community.
You find that these kids, when they come home, you know, they meet the others who are at home. And so you see them seated somewhere, they try to explain or trying to tell us about what they learned in the conservation club. And also, when we parents have time, we also share time with them to try to know what is the conservation club doing and what are they learning.
I go home and tell my parents to conserve our environment.
I'll tell them not to kill wildlife, not to cut trees or destroy, and conserve water.
I want to be a teacher in future in order to enlighten the community about how to conserve the environment.
There were once hippos in the rivers. There were lions in the forest. There were many forests in our country. There were oceans in our country. Please take care of the environment. Let us plant more trees in our country. Let us stop invading animals' territories. Let us stop poaching animals. Let us stop polluting soil and water. Let us stop cultivating water catchment areas. Conserve the environment for the present and future generation.
We will conserve. We will conserve. Conserving is key. Conserving is key.